Is it important to educate the general public about deep learning stuff and not only educate those technical people and make people understand more what AI really do and how it works?
I think that knowledge will diffuse. Deep learning AI, we want to empower everyone to build with AI. So we're working on it. Many of us work on it. I'll just tell you what I think is the main danger. I think there are maybe two dangers. One is if you don't bring people with us fast enough. I hope we'll solve that. There's one other danger, which is it turns out that if you look at the mobile ecosystem, mobile phones, it's actually not that interesting. And one of the reasons is there are two gatekeepers, Android and iOS. And unless they let you do certain things, you're not allowed to try certain things on mobile. And I think this, hampers innovators. These dangers of AI have been used by certain businesses that are trying to shut down open source because a number of businesses that would love to be a gatekeeper to large-scale foundation models. So I think hyping up dangers, supposed false dangers of AI in order to get regulators to pass laws like the proposed SB 1047 in California, which thank goodness we shut down, would have put in place really burdensome regulatory requirements that don't make anyone safer, but would make it really difficult for teams to release open source and open weight software. So one of the dangers to inequality as well is if these regulatory, awful regulatory approaches, and I've been in the room where some of these businesses said stuff to regulators that was just not true. So I think that some of these arguments, the danger is if these regulatory proposals succeed, and end up stifling regulations, leaving us with a small number of gatekeepers where everyone needs the permission of a small number of companies to fine-tune the model, prompt in a certain way. That's what would stifle innovation and prevent the diffusion of this information to let lots of startups, build whatever they want responsibly, but with the freedom to innovate. So I think so long as we prevent this line of attack on open source, open weight models from succeeding, and we've made good progress, but the threat is still there, then I think eventually we'll get to the diffusion of knowledge and we can hopefully then bring everyone with us. But this fight to protect open source, we've been winning, but the fight is still on and we still have to keep up that work to protect open source. Thank you all very much. It's wonderful seeing my view. Thank you.